This is not the Pinocchio from the story. This is something way more powerful. A true game changer that can save you money every single day. With this, you can run your favorite AI tools directly on your own computer, completely free, with no limits. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to install Pinokio, how to use it, and how to get your work done efficiently. Alright, let us see how Pinokio works for you. How does this work? Pinokio acts like a local server that lets you run AI tools directly on your computer. You can download AI models and use them offline, without relying on cloud services. Since everything runs on your own machine, there are no subscription costs, and your data stays private. The only requirement is a reasonably powerful computer for smooth performance. Open your favorite browser and search for Pinokio. From the results, click on the official website and download it for your PC. On the official Pinokio website, you can explore a wide range of free AI models that work with the app. You will even find popular tools that people usually pay for through subscriptions. This means you can cut down your AI expenses and instead invest that money into upgrading your PC for even better. Once the download is complete, follow the installation steps and choose the recommended settings. Once the installation is complete, you will have the Pinokio app running on your local PC. From there, you can browse and install a wide range of free AI models directly to your computer using Pinokio. You can download and run a wide range of local AI models for voice creation, video generation, and image generation. Basically, any AI tool you install will run directly on your PC without cloud limits. Your only restriction is the performance of your own computer. For this demonstration, I am using the E25TT's model to generate voice. This model lets you create natural-sounding voices directly on your local PC without restrictions. Alright, let us get started and install it. The installation process is very simple. Just select the model you want and click the install button. Pinokio will automatically download and set up all the required files and packages on your local PC. All you need to do is wait patiently until everything is fully installed. All the required packages will be downloaded automatically. Keep in mind, this will use your local storage, since most AI models are larger than 2 GB in size. Once the installation is complete, you can simply launch the AI model and start using it right on your PC. Now that my model is downloaded, I am going to run it. I have started the TT's model, and once it launches, you will see two options. You can either run it inside Pinokio or open it in your browser. I am running it directly inside Pinokio since using a browser can take more system resources. For the first run, it might take a little time to load everything, but after that, it becomes much faster. But your PC at good performance, it will run smoothly. In this model, you can upload a reference voice and generate speech that sounds like it. I am going to add one of my favorite voice samples here and generate audio using my own custom text.
My name is Sandeep, and when I was born, the sun had just risen, and sun rays were falling deep on my body. So my grandmother said, let's keep his name Sunrise. But luckily my dad was working in Dubai.
Also, you can record your own voice and generate using it, so YouTube will not flag as AI voice anymore. You can tweak these settings to get the exact output you want, but for now I am sticking with the default settings since they work perfectly for me. After adding my text, I simply click on Synthesize and the model instantly converts it into voice. Here is my sample voice.
My name is Sandeep, and when I was born, the sun had just risen, and sun rays were falling deep on my body. So my grandmother said, let's keep his name Sunrise. But luckily my dad was working in Dubai. He said, no.
Alright, let us listen to the generated voice now.
My name is something else and this is voice. So it's yours now. My name is something else and this is voice. So it's yours now.
The generated voice sounds clean and accurate. You can download it and use it across your projects. Since it's generated by you, you have full control over how you use it. As I mentioned earlier, you can even access this from your mobile by opening the link or scanning the QR code. I hope you now understand the full process. If you run into any issues, drop a comment and I will help you out. Do not forget to subscribe for more cost-saving tips and smart tech tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.